life with a box. Want to make your Tesla stand out? The Yeslak real carbon fiber fog light trim for the Tesla Model 3, Y, S, and X is the perfect upgrade. These custom fit trims are durable, stylish, and enhance both the look and performance of your vehicle. In this video, I'll unbox, install, and share tips on maintaining the trim to prevent cracking and flaking. Use my link in the description and my code lifewithabox for 25% off. If you're new here, I review Tesla and car-related products with a real-life perspective. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe as it really helps out my channel. Now, let's get to the unboxing. As I open the box, the first thing you'll notice is how lightweight, yet solid, these premium carbon fiber fog light trim covers feel. These are crafted from aerospace-grade, genuine carbon fiber, giving them incredible strength while maintaining a sleek, high-gloss finish. Let's take a closer look. These trims are precision-engineered, ensuring a perfect fit with a seamless OEM appearance. Beyond just looks, they help improve aerodynamics by streamlining airflow, reducing drag, and enhancing stability. This can even contribute to better battery efficiency. Flipping them over, you'll see the pre-installed industrial-grade adhesive, making the installation completely tool-free. The adhesive is already lined up for a secure bond, and the package even includes adhesive promoters for added durability. Now that we've unboxed them, let's move on to the installation. All right, let's get started with the installation. First, we need to clean the area where the fog light trim will be installed. I'm using a spray bottle and a microfiber cloth to wipe down the surface, ensuring there's no dust or debris that could affect adhesion. Next, grab the adhesive promoter from the package. Open one up and apply it to the installation area. This step helps the 3M double-sided tape bond more securely, ensuring a long-lasting hold. Now, take one of the carbon fiber trim pieces and peel off the backing from the 3M tape. Carefully line it up with the fog light area, making sure it's positioned correctly. Once aligned, press it firmly into place, applying even pressure along the entire trim to create a strong seal with no gaps. For the other side, I switched things up a bit. Instead of installing it right away, I first aligned the trim piece and then marked the position using painter's tape. This makes it easier to reposition it accurately after removing the 3M tape backing. Both methods work well, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Now let's talk about maintaining your carbon fiber fog light trim to prevent flaking and fading from sun exposure. Over time, UV rays can break down the protective coating on carbon fiber, leading to dullness and cracking. To avoid this, start by cleaning the trim to remove any dust or dirt, then apply a coating of 303 aerospace protectant, which provides UV resistance and protects against fading, cracking, and discoloration. To apply, spray a light even coat of 303 protectant onto a clean microfiber cloth or applicator pad, then gently wipe it onto the trim, covering all areas. Let it sit for a minute, then buff off any excess with a dry cloth. This simple step will help preserve the glossy finish and keep the trim looking like new for longer, offering an extra layer of protection against environmental wear. Overall, the installation is quick and straightforward, and with the strong adhesive, the trim is securely in place. Now, let's take a look at the final result.